Antikythera Mechanism, the ancient machine that shouldn't exist. 2,000 years ago, something impossible was created. A machine so advanced it would not appear again for over 1,000 years. Hidden beneath the ocean, lost to time, it waited in silence. Until one day, it was discovered by accident. In the early 20th century, divers exploring a shipwreck near a small Greek island uncovered something unusual. Among broken statues and scattered artifacts, they found corroded fragments of bronze. At first, it seemed like nothing more than debris, but when researchers examined the pieces closely, they noticed something extraordinary. Inside the fragments were gears. Not simple shapes, but complex interlocking gears, precision-cut, carefully designed, and incredibly advanced for their time. This was not just an object, it was a machine. A machine built over 2,000 years ago. Today, it is known as the Antikythera Mechanism, often described as the world's first analog computer. But how could something like this exist in the ancient world? To understand its mystery, we must go back in time, back to ancient Greece, around 100 years before the Common Era. This was a world without modern technology, no engines, no electricity, no digital systems. And yet, in a small workshop, skilled hands were shaping bronze into something extraordinary. Gear by gear, piece by piece, a complex system was assembled. Dozens of interlocking parts working together with precise mathematical relationships. When completed, the device could do something remarkable. It could track the movements of the sun and the moon. It could predict eclipses. It could follow celestial cycles with astonishing accuracy. By turning a simple handle, the mechanism would bring the sky to life, displaying patterns that took nature years to complete. This was knowledge far beyond what we once believed ancient civilizations possessed. So who created it? And how did they achieve such precision without modern tools? The answers remain uncertain. Some believe it was built by brilliant Greek engineers. Others suggest knowledge may have been lost, forgotten over time. But one thing is clear. This device was not an accident. It was the result of deep understanding, advanced mathematics, and careful craftsmanship. At some point, the mechanism was placed aboard a ship. Perhaps it was being transported. Perhaps it was a valuable object meant for someone important. But the journey did not end as planned. A violent storm struck. Waves crashed against the vessel, and the ship sank into the depths of the sea. The mechanism disappeared beneath the water, buried in darkness, covered by sand, slowly corroding over centuries. For nearly 2,000 years, it remained hidden. The world moved on. Empires rose and fell. Technology advanced, and then was lost, and rebuilt again. But the knowledge contained within this machine vanished, until it was found again. When modern scientists studied the fragments, they were shocked. Using advanced imaging, they revealed a level of complexity no one expected. Dozens of gears, intricate inscriptions, a complete mechanical system designed to model the cosmos. It challenged everything we thought we knew about history, because this machine should not exist. Not at that time, not with that level of precision. And yet, it does. The Antikythera Mechanism remains one of the greatest mysteries ever discovered. A reminder that ancient knowledge may have been far more advanced than we imagine. And perhaps there are still secrets hidden in the past, waiting to be found.